How to link TikTok account to Facebook. Let's get started. Open your TikTok app. Here we go. At the bottom, you will find different options. Go to the option profile. After you land to your profile, at the top right corner, you will find 3 bars. Tap on it. Now head towards the option of settings and privacy. Now over here, you will find different sections. Under account, you can find the option of privacy. Open that option. And here you're gonna find the option of sync contacts and Facebook friends. Open this option. Now here you will find 2 sections, contacts and Facebook friends. You have to toggle on for this option of sync Facebook friends. After you enable this option, your Facebook friend list will be periodically synced to help you find and get discovered by people you may know. This includes people who share mutual connections with you on Facebook. You can turn this off anytime. In the case you want to remove previously synced Facebook friends, you can tap on this option. So this is how you can link TikTok account to Facebook. I hope now you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.